Hey, g'day my friends, how are you? So I'm still working on the 88mm by Dragon here, so I've got it top coated with some German grey, which is looking pretty good. Also got to get the cruciform ready. But yeah, I've just sort of got to get a base for it built before we can really progress any further. I can paint the details, but I want to wait until I've got the base ready because you've got these flat spots on the tyres, so I want to get them right, you know, in the right spot. But I'm just finishing off this one first here, which is coming along really cool. Got the gunner in, so yeah, get this base done and then I'll make a base for this one. But it's a really good 88. Although I started building some of the figures and they're not really that great, the figures that Dragon have included. But it does look good painted up. It was a really good build. But they put these figures in a Winter Crew, but they must be a really old Winter Crew by not Mini Art by Dragon, because they're really dodgy, sort of. Not great, but I'll make them look alright, but maybe I've got used to resin figures or something like that. But I did get some new Mini Art figures, which I'll show you, and new Mini Art plastic figures are really good. Really, really good. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again very soon.